Let the crypto market melt up continue. It is Tuesday, June 27th, 8:21 a.m. And we're going to cover a good amount of charts here. We got the dollar, bond yields. We got to cover the stock market, Bitcoin. We're going to go over XRP, XLM, and a couple other ones as well too, like Bitcoin dominance and then others dominance. And we're going to dive into some of the XLM pair charts. So XLM to Bitcoin, XLM to Ethereum, XLM dominance, and take a look at kind of the moment we're at right now. We had called out XLM as a long leverage position the other day that I was like, I'm striking on this. So if you guys watch that video, you made some good money, let me know in the comments. Definitely we're sitting at a time right now where it's exciting, right? Like January of this year was exciting. March of this year was exciting. We're sitting in June and it's an exciting moment right now. And now's the time to strike. There's times where you want to pounce on the opportunity and times where you just kind of want to settle back and just let the dust settle. And right now is an opportunity to pounce on the situation we got in front of us. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment. And if you've been supporting, you've been watching for a while and you made that XLM trade, let me know in the comments as well too. We're going to dive straight into it. So bond yields are curling over. We were getting rejected by that heavy resistance level, that hot zone there, coming down to the support hot zone around 3.628. We'll see if we hold it or not, but we do have the momentum coming down. If we look at the dollar's rolling over today. We're on the 1-day chart right now. We're seeing we're rolling over right here. We look at the momentum. We're coming up to this 50 line. It looks to me that we're going to actually roll over, get rejected, because if we look at the TSI, it looked like the TSI was coming up to cross and it said, nope, and went back down. So I would say the stock RSI is going to curl over today too, which would mean more continuation to the downside in the dollar, which we are expecting, which would mean in return that cryptos are going to keep going up. So let the melt up continue. We're not done yet. So let's go to the 3-day chart and we have that stock RSI cross down. We have the TSI crossing down. It's everything that happened in March and it's everything that happened in late October where we bottomed both times. So it's looking great over there. And if we look at the weekly chart, this is the one we've been watching. We need that stock RSI to cross down through that 50 line and it's coming down hot. It's nosediving. I think it's going to do it. We got 3 days and 11 hours left for this candle to close. I would love to see the TSI cross down and the dollar and the stock RSI cross down because the dollar will tank and it will go down and break the 101 level, which would mean a melt up, a continued melt up of crypto. So that's a dollar, but let's look at like a 4-hour chart, lower time frame. Let's take a look at from this low to this high up here. We need to come down, break this 786 around 102.18. And right now I would say, let's go to a 12-hour chart. Yeah, we're back down on a key level of support, like a kind of a key level here. This horizontal line, we saw that was our rejection point. We broke below it, rejection, got above, came back down, support, rejection, got above. And then, so like right now, if we can break down below here, it's looking good. It's looking good. We look at the 12-hour chart. We want to see this TSI cross down and the stock RSI cross down. We already see the stock RSI crossing down. And given that the stock RSI is already crossing down on a 12-hour, it's likely we're going to roll over here in the TSI. And I like how we're way below the zero line and the MACD is curling down. If we look at, so that's great. We got bond yields coming down. We got the dollar coming down. And if you're in the Discord and you know the equation, let me go up to that. So in the Discord, if you're not already in it, link in the bio. We got a whole lot of new members joining. What up, everybody? If you're watching this, but let's go down to the formula right here. So if bond yields are down and the dollar is down, then Bitcoin is up. So that's the formula right there. So bond yields are down, the dollar is down. We should expect Bitcoin to go up in a big way. So let's look at now and go back to the chart that we're looking at, the stablecoin market caps versus all of crypto. When we see this go down, it is good for the crypto prices to go up. We do have the momentum curling over. If we take this low to this high, we're right at the 786. If we break that 786, it's game on, guys. It's game on. Get fired up. Let me know in the comments if you're fired up. Because we're looking at these charts, this, that, and the other thing. How can you get fired up about that? But when you're really kind of unpacking it, we're talking about real money here. We're talking about real money that you can make getting ahead of the market and being on top of it. And what I'm seeing right now is we got some money to be made. So we got this coming down, a momentum. We want to see this break right here. And we have this resistance right overhead, right here like that we came up to test yesterday, it seems like. Yep, we came up yesterday to test that, and we broke down from it. So if we look at a micro level right now, we look at the 786 on a micro time frame. So we actually broke it. So we have this low to this high. We have the 786 right here. We want to maintain getting rejected from that. So I'm going to really be looking at the 4-hour chart on this, because if we can see this TSI cross down and the stock RSI break below this 50 line, then we're game on. We're game on. So that's that. Now let's look at the total crypto market cap, and let's get out the Heikin-Ashi candles. Let's go to a 1-day chart. The total crypto market cap is like sandwiched between 1.15 trillion and 1.17 trillion. If we put this trend line coming down, we clearly broke it. We could come down, retest that as support. It's not out of the cards here. But as long as the momentum's still rolling up and we're holding this trend line like this, which we're at, I believe, right now, or we could come down a little bit more. But if we put this a little more slanted in like that, we're right at that trend line of support. So I would expect another big move in the next 24 to 48 hours as far as, are we going to hold right here, keep pressing up, or are we going to come back down, retest this 786 as support first, then go? Remains to be unseen, but we do have the 4-hour chart trying to cross up on the TSI and on the stock RSI. We're right at that 50 line. So if we can get above the 50 line on the 4-hour chart, and then the TSI cross up and maintain above the 0 line on the TSI, we held the 50 line on the RSI. If we can do this on the total crypto market cap in the next 3 hours and 31 minutes, then we're in for a nice day today. If we can't, and we actually see this start to cross, but then it comes back down, we're going to see that kind of correction and pull back today in preparation for maybe tomorrow or the next day for us to give it another shot. So that's going to be our key today to know if the market's going to continue up or it's not. If we look at the altcoins are gearing up. We've been saying it. So if we look right now, we're on the 12-hour chart. It looks like the stock RSI is going to cross down below the 50 line, but I think it's going to be a hard stop right here and us cross up, kind of like this right here. We have the TSI coming in close. I think that's going to rise up. If we look at the trend line coming up here, I think we're holding as support right now. We're trying to break above this super guppy. We're very close to it. Last time we tried, we couldn't. That's why we slammed. I think this time is the time we get above, and we'll likely come up to 344 billion, retest these lows up here, which is probably like a solid 8% across the board for the altcoins. So if we go like that, like 5.6%, we could even come up to 357 billion, which would be like 10%. And that's not going to be it though. Like if we come up to those levels, like that's just the beginning. Like comparatively, Bitcoin's up here. That's where I think the altcoins go next. So we already looked at the dollar. If we look at Bitcoin right now, we are at 30,660. Yesterday was a little scary, huh? So it looked like we were going to fall, but as long as we close, we were saying it, 30,250, as long as we close the bodies of the candles above there, we're fine. And would you look at that, the bodies closed literally right above 30,249.95. So that's why, like, you know, when I say these levels, they're so important. Like these wicks were nothing. It's the body, the candle body closes, the meat of the candle closing above. And to a T, we did not close a body below 30,250. And that's why we're continuing up here. But if we do come down and on the 4-hour chart, we close a candle body below that level, we're going to come in for a correction. So keep that level in mind. We have the TSI trying to cross up on the 4-hour chart and the stock RSI trying to get above this 50 line. If we can do that on Bitcoin, we'll continue going up. If we can't, then we're going to come correct back down again. If we look at this high down to this low, we got rejected around this 618. We take this high down to this low, we're getting rejected right now at the 702. If we come back down, I want to see us hold short-term support for kind of immediate short-term upside. If we were to come down, I'd want to see us hold 30,450. 30,450, we could come down on a wick, retest it, and then go up. But for like this overall trend to maintain going up, I want to see us hold 30,250 in the short term. So that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance, we're looking on the 1 week chart. We got another sell warning printing in here. So we're getting close. We're getting close to Bitcoin dominance rolling over. We're way overheated. Once we get that sell now signal, that's when altcoins fire off. We're already seeing XLM and a couple of them go. It's great news. Great news. So this is an opportune time for peer-to-peer trades, altcoin to altcoin, grow your bags without having to dump more cash in, but utilizing what you currently hold to kind of chase the outperformers, as well as day trading. Day trade dogs, it's a bullish bias, but chill on the leverage. Don't go too high because there's going to be like volatility at like the direction's up, but there'll be like volatility on the way with that. So like you don't want to get smoked on this uptrend. We know it's an uptrend, but you don't want to get smoked on super high leverage because we have like a 1% correction within the uptrend. You know, like we know the trend, just try to ride the wave. Don't try to make $1 million in one trade, right? Slow and steady. But yeah, 1 week chart, Bitcoin dominance, sell warnings. As soon as we get the sell now, it's game on. If we look at XLM, okay, so this is something I noticed with XLM the other day. So and let me go to a weekly chart. So I literally took this whole correction, or this whole from XLM back 2014 to when it broke out, and I matched it. So this was the top, our bear market, and then we went. And I put it to when we topped here back in 2021, and no shit, huh? Like we're at a moment for XLM that could be explosive. And look how it followed. You know, you go up, down, curl over, come up, down, right? And then we had this come down, and this match is like legit perfect to a T. And this is saying by July 3rd, 4th of July, fireworks, XLM getting back above 16, even touching 18 cents, pulling back down to 11.5 cents, and then firing up. I'm not saying that's going to be the absolute case, but there are a lot of signs for a huge altcoin season. There's a lot of signs for coins ready to explode. And with Bitcoin breaking out to a new high above 31K, who knows what could happen here? Who knows? But all I do know is this lines up from a time perspective and a pattern perspective as XLM at a big move. And like I said, things happen fast in crypto. You flash your eyes, for a couple of days, a week, couple months, your life can change in a matter of moments. So I'm not going to throw this out of the cards and throw this out. This could very well be the case. So I'm going to be eyeing this fractal. But I shared a video yesterday. Actually, I want to keep this so I don't forget. With XLM having 3-week prepare to buy soons, a month prepare to buy soon, 2-week prepare to buy soon and buy now, 1 week prepare to buy soon, buy now. It had 12-day prepare to buy soon, buy now. It just recently had a 5-day prepare to buy soon, a 4-day prepare to buy soon, and buy now that's flashing right now. A 3-day prepare to buy soon and a buy now that flashed yesterday. 2-day prepare to buy soon and a buy now that flashed 4 days ago, and a 1-day prepare to buy soon and buy now that flashed 5 days ago. So that's why I was like, XLM, make sure you better get some XLM. Because when you saw 3-week prepare to buy soon, a 1 month prepare to buy soon, and then you see like a 2-week prepare to buy soon and buy now that already flashed, and a 12-day that already flashed, and a 1 week that already flashed. And then you're looking at the 5-day prepare to buy soon that called the bottom back here in January and the buy now, the 4-day that did it as well too, and the 3-day that did it back in January as well. And we're doing the same thing right now. I mean, all the signs and all the stars were aligning for XLM for this moment to do this. So, you love to see it. So XLM, super bullish. If we look at the 12-day chart as well, we're crossing up on the stock RSI. We have this pink coming up hot. It's coming up hot. We have the MACD printed in dark green, and the TSI said nope, and it's getting ready to keep on continuing. She's in because making these amount of gains where you can make a 5x or a 10x, your life changes. If you play it right. And that's what we're here to do at Stargate. So come join the Discord. Link is in the bio. My name's Rob at Stargate. Hit me up if you want to get access to these signals, as well as get access to this stellar community that we have in there. I mean, it's quite unreal. So definitely get in there because I want to be celebrating with all y'all on an island in Thailand 6 months from now, right? And also too, like the signal, like look at this 12-day signal on XLM, these Stargate signals back here. Absolutely nailing these bull run tops, absolutely nailing the bottom, and then absolutely nailing the top and nailing the bottom again. You can't make it up. So like if you want to get, even if you're not a day trader, you don't want to day trade or swing trade, but at least knowing when the overall bull market top is in, these are the indicators that's going to get you to the end of the road here. I haven't seen anything that hits any altcoin as good as this for bottoms and tops. Like I wish I had this indicator created back in 2017 when I dumped all my money in at the top, right? And watch it go down for years. I wish I created all this stuff earlier on, but you know, the moments where you dump your money in at the top and you watch it go down for years, that's what instills that drive and that fight in you to learn it, to learn this stuff and to really master the charts and really kind of put yourself in a better position on a knowledge and skill level to make sure the next time that you're selling the top and you're buying the bottom, not buying the top and just watching it go down and hoping for it to go up and relying on other people, right? That's what prompted me to really study these charts every day and really develop solutions in this software with the signals to help everybody else that's on the same crypto roller coaster here. So if you want access to these indicators and to be able to know when to sell these bull market tops and buy these bear market bottoms, you join the Discord, you hit me up, Rob at Stargate, link is in the bio, and let me know. So let's go to the next thing, XLM to Bitcoin, because XLM to Bitcoin has a 2-month prepare to buy soon. A 2-month prepare to buy soon. We have this MACD coming in. We have the stock RSI cooled off, TSI cooled off. As soon as we see a cross up, it's done. It's game on. 1 month chart. We got a buy now back here, October 2022. That's when we should have went, but that was the FTX. So the FTX thing threw a wrench in it. It's like these events are perfectly planned. But 3-week prepare to buy soon right here. We have a 2-week prepare to buy soon right here. We have a 12-day prepare to buy soon right here. We have a 10-day prepare to buy soon right here. We have a 6-day prepare to buy soon. 5-day prepare to buy soon. 4-day prepare to buy soon. Oh, this is back here. But if we look at the 1-week chart, we got to prepare to buy soon. So like all the stars are aligning for Stellar. Just like they were aligning for XRP months ago when we said. So on the USD chart, it looks good. On the Bitcoin chart, it looks great. On the Ethereum chart, it looks great as well too. We have a 10-day prepare to buy soon. We have a no, not there. We got a 10-day prepare to buy soon. 6-day, I came back here. If we look at the 5-day, it came back here as well too in April. 3-day buy now, that just came in. 4-day buy now, that just came in. 2-day buy now, that just came in. So like, and then we're seeing the pink cross above the blue as well too. XLM USD looks phenomenal. XLM to Bitcoin looks phenomenal. XLM to Ethereum looks phenomenal. And then XLM dominance, if we look at the 2-week chart, prepare to buy soon. 3-week chart, nope. 1-month chart, nope. If we look at the 12-day chart, prepare to buy soon. 10-day chart, prepare to buy soon. 6-day chart, prepare to buy soon. Buy now, that came back here. And we're seeing the stock RSI cross up and the TSI is ready to fire up. So XLM dominance looks amazing. If we look at XLM dominance against all the other altcoins, looks like we found our area where we find our support for XLM against XLM dominance against all the altcoins dominance. This is the area where we bottomed out last time in 2017 before it fired up. 6-week chart. 6-week chart. Guys, the 6-week chart's TSI is getting ready to cross up through the zero line. Last time it did that was no lie, December 2017. XLM fired up like at least 10 to 15x. For the first time as well too, we're getting above this 200 moving average. The last time we're above it was back here in 2019. It's been about 4 years since what is going on is happening right now as we speak. So get your affairs in order. Make sure you have Stellar. Make sure you have XRP. I think Stellar is going to move first right now. XRP already did its run. It's cooling off for another big one, but Stellar looks like it's ready to take the lead right now. If we look at XLM to all the other altcoins, we're on the 1-month chart. It found support on the bottom of this void line, and it's getting ready to fire up. We just got a 1-month cross on the TSI. When we last got a cross, it was a cross down in March of 2021. That's when Stellar really kind of topped here. That was up here. We crossed down in the TSI on the monthly chart, tanked. We're crossing up right now as we speak. We're about to rip. So get yourself positioned for real. So like now let's just look at XRP real quick. Just get a smell check on that XRP USD. I hope you guys got some Femex longs in. I'm looking right now. It's all in green right now. I love it. So let's go to the 1 week chart. Yeah, 1 week chart. We still have the stock RSI cross down. We're close. We're not there yet. I would say next week we'll look to convert back into XRP to take advantage of XRP taking off. I think the next time XRP tests that level up here, 54.5 cents, we fire up through it easily. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I'm seeing, but it's not quite ready yet. I would say give it next week is XRP's week time to shine. I think all these other altcoins need to catch up a little first, but yeah, XRP's close, but we still got a couple more days to squeeze it. Yeah, so that's going to be it, guys. I think the market's looking pretty nice. If you look at the dollar again this morning, 3-hour chart still headed down here. The 3-hour chart's ready to go below the zero line. The CSI looks phenomenal. If we look at, what is it? The NASDAQ versus Bitcoin, this is all playing out great. Yeah, so things are looking amazing, guys. If you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you're seeing. If you see what I'm seeing with Stellar right now, we're already starting to fire up. Also, if you've been here for a while now, I appreciate your support immensely. You guys give me that spiritual fuel. Let me tell you that. Also, join the Discord. Link will be in the bio. Ask about VIP and how you can get access to those signals here if you want to know when to sell XLM at the exact top and exact bottom, as well as if you want to join this stellar group that we have here at Stargate. Unreal quality people, all caring, loving each other, helping each other out, positive vibes. That's what we're all about. So come join the Discord. Link is in the bio. My name's Rob at Stargate. When you get in there, hit me up in the Discord. It's Rob at Stargate right here. Be safe in there as well, too. I know there's a lot of scammers and spammers trying to impersonate. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. But Rob at Stargate. So Rob Stargate is my username with no numbers. So Discord updated this. So come hit me up or actually just call me out in the Discord, like tag me. That will avoid you potentially messaging a scammer. So hit me up in there. We'll get you situated sooner than later because you don't want to join VIP as we're topping. You want to join it now as we're executing. So that's going to be it, guys. Love y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video.